Okay, this next one's very interesting. I was playing a song by Kid Rock that just came up. I guess he's got a new album out. The song was See You Again. I don't know. It was just a song that was playing, so I decided to do another reading, and it came out very strange. So I'm going to show you all the cards. I laid them all on the desk here. The first one that came out was Stop, and then it said Hers. The next one that came out said Hers. So Stop, Hers, and then the next one was Yes, like I'm hers. So I'm not saying that Kid Rock is mine. That's not what I'm saying. What I'm saying is, like in the other reading, I had a match, and then I used almost all the cards. So a square came out, square, rectangle, square, and then another square came out. So I got two squares. I'm not going to count the ones on this. I could, but it wouldn't matter. That would be a more intense reading. But again, I got a match. I got two. One says rectangle, one says square, but it's a match. That's the same card. My cards are more difficult to understand, and I do them that way because I'm very difficult to understand, and this is the way I like to read tarot cards, and it's very honest. I've helped several people on the street when I was homeless. I'm not homeless anymore. Okay, then the next card that came out was the 8 and the 9, which I had an 8 and a 9 a while ago. Remember in the last reading, I had an 8 and then I had a 9, and these are hearts and clubs. So that means a 9-figure bank account, and then 37 came up in a match. Color match, so it's going to be $37,000, around $37,000. I don't know. Someone's going to get, you can see the 3 and then the 7. 3 and then the 7 came up, and it came up like that, 3, 7, and then a 9. So 37, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's 37 million or something. I don't know. I'd have to write that down, but I don't have time on this video. But then, and so 9, 8, and 9. I said that a while ago, but it was hearts. That was a match. And then the words bubblegum, roller coaster, and the moon came out, which it was like 2 or 3 in the morning when I had met this person. It was a roller coaster ride. And yeah, we must have got some bubblegum or some cigarettes at least. So that brings me to give me hope that I might find it. And then the Queen came out. It was a match. The Joker and the Queen of Spades. Remember I told you a while ago that's about the money and if a match came up. So now it's a match because now the Joker came out and the Queen came out of Spades. So again, that was a match. I've got to hurry. My time's going to run out. There was more to that, and then another Joker, and another Oval came out, eggs and children. 18 came out again. Well ago we got